Hello everyone, welcome back to AGenius Tech Hub. I'm Abhijit, your IT guide, and today we are going to learn something very important. What is an operating system?
What is an operating system? Types of OS. How to install and use OS. Beginner's Guide. An operating system, or OS, is the main software that controls your computer. It acts like a boss between the user and the hardware. Some common operating systems are Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Android. Without OS, your computer is just a box of hardware.
Think of OS like a translator between you and the computer hardware. When you click on an app, the OS tells the CPU what to do. Without OS, your computer is just a useless box. Operating system performs important tasks like managing memory, handling hardware, running applications, file management, security management. When you click on a browser,
When I open Chrome, the OS allocates memory, gives CPU time, and manages background processes.
You can install OS using a bootable USB drive. Don't worry, I will make a separate detailed video on installation.
The operating system is installed in your computer's storage device. When you turn on your computer, the OS loads into RAM and starts working.
Now let's understand the types of operating systems in simple language. Desktop OS, used in PCs and laptops. A multi-user OS allows multiple users to use the system at the same time. Example, Linux servers. Go. There are also server OS, embedded OS, and real-time OS. But for beginners, desktop and mobile OS are used in smartphones. Single-user OS is used by one user at a time.
Using an OS is very simple. Let me show you basic things every beginner should know. Always remember, don't just switch off power. Use proper shutdown option. Now let's understand what an OS actually does. When you open a browser, save a file, play a game, connect Wi-Fi, or install software in HINDIF,
Used in systems where time is very important. Example, ATM machines, air traffic control systems.
imagine a computer without an operating system. Nothing works. No apps, no files, no internet. That's why OS is the heart of your system.
That's why OS is the heart of your computer.
So today we learned, if you are a beginner in IT, understanding OS is your first step. So today we learned what is an operating system, the types of OS, where to install, and how to use.
I'm Abhijit from AGenius Tech Hub. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe.